A warm welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel.
Well, what do we have here? My dream 997 911 GT3RS.
And it's going to get some serious love and attention. Have a look at this. So our initial objective is complete to get the front end PPF'd before we can go on and start detailing the rest of the car. Martin, what are we doing on this car?
So, the car's been deep cleaned. We've had, as you can see, well, you'll see on the video, we've had the wheels off, we've coated the wheels, cleaned them deeply. We've done all the inner arches, we've done the underneath of the car. Now, all we've got left to do, because the front bumper's now been PPF'd, we've clay barred the car. So all we've got to do now is put S40 on, because we just want to gloss her up.
Yeah, we're digging out swirls is not a problem on this car.
No, so this car, for an 18-year-old car, I don't think I've ever seen a car in such good condition. Yeah. One of the reasons I bought it. But if you look at the video, you'll see clearly how good the paint is on this car.
Yeah, it's remarkable.
So it's got no swirls. It's literally going to be a case of bringing up some extra gloss.
Yeah, and it's already shiny, so we're using an ultra fine product just to
give it a bump.
Yeah, just a light polish. It's going to be very easy. And then once we've polished it, and we'll panel wipe it down afterwards, what's going to go on?
So we're using the Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus, which is the top coating that Wax is Dead do. So this is a 10-year ceramic. So I just think for a car like this, it just needs to have the daddy.
Okay guys, that has to be probably the most satisfying and easy polishing job. Because we had PPF all over the front, we've really had to only do here backwards. And the car looked good before. I would say we've given it like an extra 3 or 4% pop. And you could see from when you've done a polishing set where you haven't, you can see a difference. It adds a bit of clarity and gloss. So we've got dripping wet gloss now all over this car, and we haven't had to do major surgery from a polishing point of view. It's just been a very rapid, light polish process. In fact, probably the easiest car we've ever polished, isn't it?
Yeah, and we're about to give it some even more shine with the ceramic coating. So yeah, let's get this paint protected and enhance the gloss some more.
We are finished. Martin, the car is buzzing. It's
Yeah.
shiny. It's PPF'd on the front, coated on the rear, coated on the alloys, dressed up underneath is clean. What
Yeah.
next?
Put it away for the winter. That's the truth of it.
It is.
So yeah, I've got it where we wanted it, and it's just now a case of putting it away for the winter to enjoy it next year for the spring.
But we are going to do one more video on this where we take it for a test drive.
Little drive video.
And we'll find out why Martin opted for this and why this car has been the dream. So thank you for watching. This has been fun, and we'll see you on the next video.
Holding on to what I knew, but the moment's gone. Where was I when